Let's fix Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to connect to Wi-Fi or the signal is really bad, I'm going to show you how to fix that so you can get that Wi-Fi working and up and running. You can use apps, websites, all that stuff. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to head into settings here, and we're going to toggle on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and then turn that back off. This will just disconnect from the current Wi-Fi and reconnect to it. Sometimes just disconnecting and then reconnecting will help fix that Wi-Fi. The next thing that we'll do is we'll go into Wi-Fi, and you can see here under My Wi-Fi, I'm going to tap that little I, and at the very top, I'm going to hit Forget This Network. So basically disconnect and forget that network completely. This will remove all of the settings and information your phone has of that specific Wi-Fi, and then you'll want to reconnect to it. Keep in mind, you'll need to know that password there. You can always just tap where it says password, and it'll show you what the password is, and you can copy it and paste it so that you could reconnect. The next thing that we'll do is we'll go back and go back again. We'll scroll down until we get to privacy and security, and then location services. Now, let's scroll down to the bottom here, and then under system services, let's go there, and we'll choose, where is it, networking and wireless. So we will toggle that off and hit turn off. Wait about 10 seconds, and then you'll just turn that back on to reconnect to using your location for that networking and wireless. A lot of times this helps to fix any kind of bugs or issues connecting to Wi-Fi in your area. So let's go back and go back again and go back again. The next step is we will, where is it? Tap on General, and then scroll down to the bottom, hit Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then hit Reset, and then the second option, Reset Network Settings. So this will reset your connection with all networks, your Wi-Fi, cell, mobile data, any of those different things. It'll bring them all back to factory default, and it will restart your phone. Now, if you go through all of these steps and then you try to connect to a Wi-Fi and it's still not working, keep in mind it is a two-way street. It is not only your phone that could be causing issues, it could be the router or the modem that's allowing you to connect to that Wi-Fi. So I recommend just going over there, unplugging the modem, unplugging the router, waiting about 20 seconds and plugging it back in. Sometimes that fixes anything. Sometimes they just basically break or have issues, and you got to restart them or potentially just call whatever internet carrier service or internet provider you have, and they might need to give you some new hardware if that modem or the router is broken. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.